How you can easily cope with stress through anxiety meditation. A powerful technique that can be used for anxiety meditation is copying your skills. This can also be looked at as the ability to refocus your attention. Since, in times of anxiety, your attention is focused almost entirely upon your own self-created thoughts of despair. The refocusing of your attention will bring a welcoming relief. The idea is to find a mental activity that will distract you from your anxious way of thinking. This exercise can be as simple as counting the tiles on the floor in the room where you are sitting or thinking of names of people in your family. It does not matter what form of distraction you use, although the more mentally challenging the activity is, the more focus it will take. This will in turn relax you during your anxiety meditation. Anxiety meditation may take even a different form. You may want to try to use a strong mental distraction, such as that of a video game or a game like chess. That activity always took a great deal of mental concentration for me, as well as physical coordination concentration. The idea behind all of these refocusing techniques is distraction without escape. Do this or create and apply your own distractions anytime that you feel anxious. This will give you immediate relief, help to prepare you for positive self-talk, and begin to recondition responses to stressful situations. Thinking about meditations. Choosing anxiety meditation can be a great, relaxing, yet invigorating activity. You can learn self-control and self-exploration with the release of anxiety. Study after study has shown meditation, when done correctly, to be a very successful form of stress reduction. There is really nothing mystical or mythical about it. The primary cause of anxiety is an overactive or out of control imagination. Effective anxiety meditation will slow down your thought process and help reduce your anxiety. The first step to anxiety meditation is to find comfortable position. Many people choose to sit with good posture in an upright position. I suggest preparing yourself by first doing a few minutes of diaphragmatic breathing and muscle relaxation exercises to relax you physically, inhaling and exhaling slowly to calm yourself some. Next, you should try closing your eyes. Studies have shown that by simply closing our eyes during anxiety meditation, that we can rapidly reduce our brain activity. You may at this time start to become aware of your own thoughts. Let the thoughts flow through your mind and go away. The idea here is to have as few thoughts as possible, but don't become anxious if you cannot eliminate your thoughts altogether. Simply let them go each time you recognize yourself drifting into thought during your anxiety meditation. Resource box. When performing your meditation, you want someone to be there in the room with you to be able to watch, and in case to have a panic attack, help calm you down and bring you back into focus of what you are doing. Having this person in the room for some may help greatly, but for some may just to be much of a distraction. How can you easily cope with stress through anxiety meditation?